Good day everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to teach you how to create talking AI images like this.
Okay, I need a viral idea, but it has to match my niche. Why is viral allergic to my niche? Wait, this struggle is the content. What creator struggle are you stuck on?
Grok AI, Google Gemini and InShot. So our first step, we go to ChatGPT. You type in your prompt. Don't worry, for the prompt you can pause and copy it, or I'm going to drop it in the description box, so just check the description box and you can copy it. So see our prompt here, so let's send it to ChatGPT. Signing in of ChatGPT is very easy, but if you have struggle signing in, just let me know in the comment section. So ChatGPT have officially given us our script. So these are our scripts here. So these are image prompts. You select text, you copy our image prompts, copy. Then we go to Google Gemini. This is the application here. The signing in is also easy. So you click on it, you click on new chat, then you click on create image, then you enter your prompt. The prompt ChatGPT has given us, then you enter it. Google Gemini is very fast and create top-notch images. So it has officially given us our image. So you're gonna click on download. So image downloaded. Then we go to ChatGPT again. Scene 1, we copy the animation prompt. Then we copy this again. We copy the script, the scene 1 script. Then we go to Grok. This is the Grok, this particular application, Grok. Then you click on it. You can sign in with your Google account, your email or your Twitter. So after you signed in, you click on create video. You can also generate images with Grok. You just click on this imagine, make sure it's in image, then you paste your prompt, then it will generate your image for you. But now I'm not generating image with Grok. I already have my image. So we're going to wait for it to upload officially. So now it has animated our video for us, but due to network it won't play quick. So let me just type my animation prompt. Then I come here. So you first type the action. How is it going to be doing? So this finger typing aggressively, screen freezes, substitute camera takes to show panic. So this is what Alex is going to say. So it's going to create a video. That's what the team first animated customly for us. So this is already playing. So the video hasn't loaded up. Using Grok AI, you have to generate your videos in batches, then edit with InShot. So I have a video already. about
I need a viral idea, but it has.
So I'm going to drop the link in the description box.
Okay, I need a viral idea, but it has to match my niche.
Then you download.
Okay, I need a viral idea, but it has to match my niche.
Let's go to ChatGPT and copy our next scene. Then let's copy the action.
I need a viral idea, but it has to match my niche. Okay, I need a viral idea, but it has to match my niche. Okay, I need a viral idea, but it has to match my niche.
So it is generating our video for us. So we download our video. Then we go to ChatGPT and copy the next scene. We copy it, then copy the action, scene 3. Then we copy it. So our video is downloaded. We have pasted it. You can ask ChatGPT to join everything together for you, and you can tailor the prompt anywhere. Not a must is about this. You can tailor it about dancing, something else. And you can use your images.
Why is Viral allergic to my niche? But with you with statish.
So it has
Why is Viral allergic to my niche?
So you come to ChatGPT, we copy scene 4 scripts. We copy it, then we copy the action. Scene 4. Copy. Then we go to grok
But with you with statish. Why is Viral allergic to my niche? But with you with statish. Why is Viral allergic to my niche? But with you.
So it's officially generating our video for us. So I just remember we haven't downloaded the last video, so you just
but with
go like
you with
this
statish.
and download it.
Why is Viral allergic to my niche? But with
So it has officially generated this video for us.
Wait, this struggle is the content.
So
what creator struggle are you stuck on? Wait, this struggle. Wait, this struggle is the content.
So
what creator struggle are you stuck on?
This is the app InShot here. So the signing into all these apps, their signing in is very easy. Click on InShot. You click on video, then your own, there will not be anything here, but because I've been working on InShot before, so these are my drafts. You click on new. So these are your clips, so you join them together.
Okay, I need a viral idea, but it has to match my niche.
So you mark it. Then once you have first imported your first clip, just click on this InShot, click on free remove. Sometimes it will load up an ad, and sometimes it won't load up an ad. So it has removed the watermark, so we click on plus video and photo. This is the next one. we mark it. Video or photo, this is the next one, we mark it. So sometimes you may need to play the preview. Just click on these scissors.
Wait.
So we have successfully merged our clip together.
Okay, I need a viral idea, but it has to match my niche.
So this clip will detect the thing spoke too fast. So we will click on it like this, then go to speed to reduce the speed.
Idea, but it has to match my niche.
So it's still fast.
Okay, I need a viral idea, but it has to match my niche.
It is still slow.
Okay, I need a viral idea, but it has to match my niche.
Yes, so it's okay like this.
Okay, I need a viral idea, but it has to match my niche.
So this is where the need of animation comes in. So you can use any animation. Just the link to the full InShot tutorial is in the description box. Just check it out. So bye.